Ripple transition in Filmora. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to create smoother and more dynamic transitions without complex editing, and the ripple effect adds a unique visual style. To begin the tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device and ensure the installation is completed properly before starting. Then, double-click the application to open it now and wait until the main interface fully appears on your screen. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project and begin with a clean workspace for editing. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project before you start editing. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm the settings. Next, click Import. Select 2 videos to use from your device, then click Open to add them into the media library. Drag and drop the imported videos into the timeline section so you can start arranging them easily. Then select Keep Project Settings to match the current project format and avoid any mismatch issues. Adjust the video order and adjust the duration of the videos in the timeline so they fit your intended sequence. After that, adjust the size and position of the videos in the preview to ensure everything looks properly aligned. Next, select the Transition Menu tab section now to access all available transition effects. Click the search column, type Ripple, then press Enter to quickly find the desired effect. Scroll down to see several options available below in the transition list. Select the ripple effect from the available options to proceed. Then click the effect to preview it clearly first before applying it. Drag and drop it and place it between the 2 videos in the timeline to create the transition. Then enlarge the timeline section display to make it easier when adjusting details. Extend the effect in the timeline to adjust the transition duration, for example to 3 seconds for smoother results. Next, click the full screen icon to preview result more clearly. Set the playhead to the beginning, then click the play button to watch. Now you can see the result. The ripple transition in Filmora is successfully applied and looks smooth.